Hey guys, Ashley Pederson here with Promo Realty, and I'm standing outside of 1308 Dixon. This is a great property. You may recognize this street. It's known as the Christmas Card Lane Street. Nice main level living home, and the bedrooms are nice and spacious. It has been updated, a very open floor plan. It has a one-car garage on the main, and then guess what? It has a detached two-car garage in the back. So that is wonderful. It could be used as a workshop or another garage space. Lots of possibilities there. Plus, there is a vacant lot behind the house that the owners are willing to sell with this home. So sit back and enjoy the tour.